Good day kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson, we want to look at general multiplication. Tirikuda kudzidza kuti tinomultiply sei matrices, generally speaking. So before we get into this lesson, may you please join the family, the MathHub family, through subscribing, following, liking, sharing, and commenting. The first thing we want to do is, let us say we have two matrices. We have a matrix like this, AB, and we also have a matrix like this, CD, like that. Saka toda kutangira from the foundation of our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, tadzidza kuti how do we multiply a row matrix and a column matrix. So what we did was, this is equal to A multiplying C plus this B multiplying D, like that. Ndokuvatapa a principle, a requirement inoita kuti matrix akwanise kumultiplyana. The requirement is the number of columns in the first matrix should be the same as the number of rows in the next matrix. So maybe let us scribe it down. Tati, the condition which should be saved for matrices to be able to multiply is that the number of columns in first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in second matrix. This is what we discussed. So takatarisa our row and column, we can see kuti this row matrix, we have how many columns? Tine 1, 2 columns. And for this column matrix, we have how many rows? Tine 1, 2. For that reason, ndosaka takwanisa kumamultiply. But also borrowing from this fact, tadzidza zvakare kuti how do we predetermine the order of the product. Tinoziva sei the order of our answer. So for the order of our answer, tinonyora the order of the first matrix, this row matrix, which is how many rows do we have? It's 1 and 2 columns, multiplying. Then panapa, how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 2 rows and 1 column. Then we separate away pakati panapa, ensuring that our answer is a 1 by 1, which we have also noted that this is actually, if we are dealing with numbers, it is a single number. Single in the sense yekuti in number. Understand? So this is a brief summary of our yesterday lesson. Let us now get into today's lesson. This lesson, general multiplication. We are going to make a little adjustments. But I also see it best to introduce our practice question. Kuti muone in real time kuti tinomultiply sei. So let us do our first practice lesson. This is the practice question we want to do. Multiply that matrix by that matrix. Before we get into it, may you please consider subscribing, following, liking, sharing, and commenting. Saka question iyo ndo yatinayo. Ndo yatoda kushandisa kuunderstanda how we multiply matrices. In order for us to be able to multiply matrices, we have to know that the modus operandi of that multiplication is row by column. It's row by column. Saka tichatora a row from our first matrix, multiply it by a column from our next matrix. This is how we are going to do it. So let us do it tuone. We have this matrix which is 3 4 6 3 2 3 0 1 by Zorocti times 6 1 0 minus 1. But remember, tati kuti tione kuti zvinhu zvinokwanisa kumultiplyana here, we have to consider the number of columns in the first matrix. Kuti the number of columns in the first matrix anofanira kunge yakafanana ne the number of rows in the next matrix. The reason being, since tati we are going to multiply in this order, row by column, tinotora a row from our first matrix to multiply with a column from the next matrix. Saka kwatinotora a row ndiko kwatinoverenga the number of columns. Kwatinotora a column ndo kwatinoverenga the number of rows. So from this first matrix we count the number of columns, because from that same matrix tichatora a row. How many columns do we have? 1 2. That is okay. Then from this second matrix, next matrix, tichatora a column, so we are going to count the number of rows. How many rows do we have? 1 2. Saka because zvamecha kudaro, it means we can multiply them. But before we do the multiplication, we need to understand the order of the product. Kureva kuti tikuda kuziva kuti answer yedu inenge yakamboita sei. Saka kuti tizive kuti answer inenge yakamboita sei, we quote the order of this matrix. What is the order of that matrix? The order is, how many rows do we have? We have 1 2 3 4. 4 rows by how many columns? 1 2. Like that. Multiplying. Then from this matrix, how many rows do we have? 1 2. And columns 1 2. Like that. We separate away zviri Kurot answer yedu should be a 4 by 2 matrix. That should be our answer. So when we do our calculations, we should see our answer materializing as a 4 by 2 matrix. But tiri papo, patati we take a row from the first matrix, multiply it by a column from the next matrix. What is happening is we take a row panap. Like that. That's a row. We multiply it by a column. Then what we get here is going to be our answer. This is equal to tovataisa our bracket. Toti from this first row, 3 times 6. 3 times 6 plus 2 times 1. Like this. Saka panapa tinenge tatowana the first element in the first row of our answer. Then manje, we take this row again and we multiply it by this column. Kureva kuti panapa tinenge takuti 3 times 0 plus 2 times minus 1. Like that. Domabudiro zvenge zvichiita. Toenda pa second row panapa. We take this second row, we multiply it by this column. Andika? Kureva kuti tichiti 4 times 6 dot plus 3 times 1. Like that. Then kuti tuwane the element panapa, we are going to take this row again, multiply it by this column. Kureva kuti it's 4 times 0 plus 3 times minus 1. Like that. Then we do the same panapa. We are going to take this row and multiply it by this column. Saka tenge chiti 6 times 6 toti plus 0 times 1 totora this row to multiply by the next column, kureva kuti inge iri 6 times 0 plus 0 times minus 1, like that. Then we also do the same. Take this row, multiply it by this column, tozo multiply foot by that column. Kureva kuti it's going to be 3 and multiplying 6 plus 1 multiplying 1. Then apo over 3 multiplying 0 plus 1 multiplying minus 1. Like that. So it's special. And I really hope maona kuti zvafamba sei. Saka ma brackets edu of course anofange achikava everything. So size yanandashandisa pekutanga izivi. Like that. And as you can already see, this is going to be a 4 by 2 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 2 columns. 1, 2. So that is also accurate. So our final answer is going to be equal to what? 3 times 6, 6 to 18. 20 plus 2 times 1, it's 18 plus 2, which is 20. To solve anyway, 6 times 4, 6 to 18, 24, plus 3, 25, 26, 27. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 0, that's 36. And 6 times 3, 6 to 18, plus 1, is 19. Toya kuside uku. Then 3 times 0 is 0, saka panapa we have minus 2. Apa we have minus 3. 6 times 0 plus 0 times minus 1 is 0. Up it's 0, crowd it's minus 1. And this is going to be our final answer. So this is how it is done. We take a row from the first matrix, multiply it by a column from the next. Toita in succession, making sure that every row multiplies all the columns in the next matrix. And every row multiplies all the columns in the next matrix. But to guide us, we just have to do this. Could it even a presupposed imagination, cannot knowledge of what is the order of the product, how many rows and how many columns zvichange zviri muanswer medu. And that is a sign again inotiratidza kuti zvataita ndizvo here kana kuti pane pataposha. So this is how it's done. If you have a question, please don't hesitate, the comments and my direct lines. Going now to the next question, we are going to do the next question, which is more like multiplication and applications. So stay tuned as we go there. This is the question we want to do. Before we get into it, may you please subscribe, follow, like, share and comment. Thank you. Mfunzo wedu uri kuti if A is equal to 3124 and B is equal to 20 minus 13, show that AB is not equal to BA. So there's something we have to learn here. Very important. Introducing the first lesson Pama matrix, I showed you kuti A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. Zvichiratidza the relationship between addition and multiplication, the relationship which does exist in algebra and in number theory. But patava panapa manje, pane ukoshwa uripo. Kuti AB hazvisi equal to BA, and this is very important. AB is not equal to BA. Even though kana tiri kumanamba, tikati 2 times 3, we see kuti zviri equal to 3 times 2. Kana ava ma matrix, A, B is equal to BA. That's very important. And the reason is, patinotora a row from the first matrix, which is A, and take a column from the second matrix, which is B. There will be a fundamental difference. Kana takutsvaka BA. But is there a relationship between AB and BA? That is what we will have to discover through answering this question. So dearly beloved, let us look at this and determine. Of course, pakuanza kwedu chatanga nekuti consider AB. Tatanga ta multiply AB. Then we know kuti A ndi 3124 and B ndi 20 minus 13. Todotanga taita determine kana tichikwanisa kutozvimultiply in the first place. Tati kudini? Tati ku matrix yatinotora row. Tati ku first matrix tinoverenga kuti ma columns mangani. Ma columns i1 2. Then toenda ku second matrix toverenga kuti ma rows mangani. Ma rows i1 2. Kana zvakangofanana chete, then everything is okay. You understand? Saka we can multiply them. Then knowing that we can multiply them, we also have to do an exercise of determining how our answer is going to appear, the order of the product. But panapa because that's a square matrix. It's a 2 by 2 multiplying another 2 by 2. So when we separate pakat panapa, our answer should be a 2 by 2. And something you should have noticed is patinocheka zviri pakati manamba saya anenge akafanana all the time. All the time. I wish I can demonstrate this. Tikauya panapa patacheka zviri pakati, namba iri panapa ndi 2, namba iri apa ndi 2. So ndo zvandikusamataura kuti anenge akafanana all the time. Patauya futi panapa patacheka zviri pakati, apa pana 2, apa pana 2. You see what I mean? So that is fundamentally important. Saka let us do our multiplications. So we know kuti we take a row panapa, it multiplies a column. So inotanga multiply this column, you multiply futi that column, tozotora futi this row yet the same. So let us do it bit by bit. This is equal to tinoti 3 times 2 twadati plus 2 times 0. So 3 times 2 plus 2 times 0. Tovatati 43 times minus 1 plus 2 times 3. 3 times minus 1 plus 2 times 3. Tozoti 1 times 2 plus 4 times 0. Tozopesera tichiti 1 times minus 1 plus 4 times 3. Like that. So what is that equal to? Tikati 3 times 2 is 6 and then panapa something you should know kuti you are allowed kuita step by step. It's not by law kuti munofangwa ku simplify akawana. Orati panapa tinogona kutoti 3 times 2 is 6. Then tototi plus 2 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 4 times 0 is 0. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1 plus 4 times 3 is 12. Then tozonyora our final answer. Panapa ndi 6 upon the 2 upon the 3 upon the 11. That will be our final answer. So this is the answer we are getting. Let us consider BA. So takuda ku consider BA. So paku consider BA, B ndiani ndio yatotanga kunyora. B ndi 2 minus 1 0 3. Then A ndi 3 2 1 4. Let us multiply them tuone kuti tinowanani. Saka it's going to be row by column. Saka inini ndichiri pa this stage O level ndaitoisa ma RY row by column just to remind me what it was saying, because honestly it can be a little confusing, especially tichangotanga. So this is then equal to what? Tichati 2 times 3 toti plus minus 1 times 1. Then tozoti 2 times 2 toti plus minus 1 times 4. And then tozoti 0 times 3 toti plus 3 times 1 tozoti zvakare 0 times 2 toti plus 3 times 4, like this. And this is equal to what? 2 times 3, 6, minus 1 times 1, minus 1, up it's 0 plus 3, panapa it's 4, then up in getting minus 4, then plus na minus, so it's 4 minus 4 actually, and up it's 0 plus 4, it's 12. What is then going to be our answer? Upon the 5, upon the 3, upon the 0, upon the 12. Comparing our answers, akatosiyana completely. There is actually no notable similarity between my answers edu, save kuti my answers edu are all going to be 2 by 2. Ndochega chakafanana. So you should know kuti even though my numbers multiplication, my numbers or terms multiplying are interchangeable, as can attack my matrix, order is very important. So to seal up this question, what we have learned here is order is sacrosanct. Sacrosanct is a fancy way of saying very important. So this is our question. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Use the comments or send directly on my numbers. So takuda kuita manje. Takuda kukupai an exercise through which you are going to test kana ma understand ma concepts ataita. So stay tuned as we give you that exercise. The exercise I want you to do is taken from exercise 7E, NGM 3, New General Mathematics Book 3, Chapter 7, load out meter number 1, number 3, number 5, number 6, and number 10. Thank you for borrowing me your attention. Thank you for your patience. I hope you learned something new and have a nice one.